All right, so maybe you've run across a problem where you are taking lessons via Zoom. So you're on a Zoom call or in a Zoom meeting, or maybe you're giving lessons through Zoom. And as a musician, you're playing, whether you're playing piano or guitar, like myself, whatever you're playing, and they tell you that they can't hear it. They can hear you when you talk. They can't hear you when you start playing. What's going on is Zoom has some software that automatically blocks background noises. It automatically suppresses sounds that it thinks shouldn't be in there. And that's what's going on. So you're playing and they, like I said, they hear you when you're talking, but when you start playing, starts blocking. I know that can be frustrating, but let me tell you, you are in the right place today. Whether you're using an iPhone, whether you're using Android, or whether you're on desktop, I want to help you get through this problem. If y'all follow along with me, I promise you we're going to help you get through this problem and kind of give you some pointers, and so that you're ready and you're prepared, and the next time you get together on that Zoom meeting, they're going to be able to hear you. Okay. So join me. Let's go. We're going to go on over here to my main monitor. Pull it up if you're using an iPhone. Okay, let's start with the iPhone because for some reason that's what everybody uses these days. So let's see here. So what you want to do, you want to click more. Now, this is before the meeting. I want y'all to stay tuned because there's something that you have to do once you're in the meeting as well. So before the meeting, you want to click on more down here, as you can see right there. Once you click on more, it's going to pull up this list right here, and you want to click meetings. So under settings, you want to click on meetings. Once you click there, under audio for your meeting settings, you want to click use original audio. Click that and it should turn green, and then you're going to be set up. You're going to be prepared. This is going to help prepare you for using that original audio. If you're on an Android, so I'm an Android user, y'all can judge me in the comments if you want to, but I feel much more free on here. All right, so now I'm going to pull up my Android. So for my Android users, don't feel bad. I'm an Android user myself, and do not let the iPhone users shame you. It's going to be okay. Okay, so I got some meetings set up, but what I want to do is I want to set up for original sound is what I want to do. So I'm going to go to more right here. Once I go to more, I'm going to click on audio. All right, I'm going to click on audio. And once audio pulls up, I want to make sure that I have a check mark right there on original sound. As you see, it says recommended for musicians or studio environments. This will enable a toggling during meetings that will disable noise suppression. So that's what we want to do. We want to get rid of the noise suppression. Now, noise suppression can be good, and the reason why it's automatically done on Zoom is because you don't want to be in a Zoom meeting and everybody can hear your washer and dryer going in the background or whatever's going on in the background. Everybody doesn't want to hear that. Maybe you got a TV show or the TV's on and it's playing in the background. Of course, you want that to be canceled out, but when you're a musician, you want to make sure that sound that you're playing is coming through. So excuse me there. So let's see. Now, once you do that, all right, well, let's go to desktop. All right, let's figure out how to do this on desktop. All right. So I got Zoom pulled up on desktop, okay? Now, for desktop, I'm looking in this top right corner over here. I'm looking in this top right corner. I'm going to click settings, as you see right here in this top right corner. I'm going to click settings. Then I want to go to audio, okay? We're trying to adjust audio settings, so I want to go to audio. And right here under audio profile, you see right here, says original sound for musicians. Of course, we want to make sure that is highlighted. Now, there's 3 more boxes up under there that might be checked. You might have more or less boxes depending on the make and model of your computer and what you're trying to do and what is available for your PC to do. So if you want, go ahead and check those 3 boxes. I got all 3 of mine checked. Like I said, you might have 2, you might have more than these 3, but check those. And now, once we're in our meeting, so if on my phone, right? So I want to pull up my phone again. I'm going to pull up my phone again. If I'm on my phone, all right, let me pull this up, make this larger than life for you. If I'm on my phone, so on the left screen over here, as you see, if I'm on my phone and I'm in the meeting, once the meeting has started, you'll have to do this. I want you to remember to do this because you're going to be like, well, I changed my settings, but it still don't work. So once the meeting has started, so let's just start this meeting I have set up right here. Once this meeting has started, oh, look at that handsome fella. Once this meeting has started, down here in the bottom screen, as you see, you might have to click the screen to pull that back up because it's going to drop back down. So I'm going to tap the screen, pull up, and the bottom, I want to scroll all the way over to more once again, okay? And I want to tap that enable original sound, all right? That's what I just did. I enabled original sound. So now all that sound is going to come through, all right? Now all that sound is going to come through. Likewise, you'll do the same on iPhone and the same on desktop. All right, so now we got the meeting pulled up on our desktop. As you see in this top right corner, it says original sound for musicians is currently off. When you first start your meeting, that's going to be currently off. So you want to tap up here and it's going to turn on. And now you're all set. Now you're all set. I hope that really helps you. Because that can be very frustrating to be trying to get your sound through and it's not coming through and it's cutting you off and you're wanting to share what you're doing, what you're playing, and it's not coming through. So y'all make sure y'all get that set up. Okay, listen, I hope you like this content. If this has been helpful to you, please make sure you hit that like button. Join me in the comments. Let me know if this was helpful to you. Let me know, hey, if you want to share with us in the comments about some frustration you had while you were in a Zoom meeting. I know, like I said, I've experienced this myself. I've seen it firsthand. I've watched others experience it. And sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to do it on the spot. So hopefully you're doing this and you know, maybe after you've experienced it, you want to prepare for your next meeting. Hopefully you can come through and watch this video and this video helps you get where you need to be, so that you can have that sound come through. Now, if you guys want some more details on operating in Zoom, let me know in the comments. I can put some more stuff in the comments on operating in Zoom. One thing in particular is if you really want good quality sound coming through, it might be good to invest in a microphone, okay? Sometimes microphones on phones and the microphones that are installed on laptops or desktops aren't always the best, right? And so sometimes it can sound like you're in a bucket of water while you're talking. I'm sure you all have heard that, or, you know, maybe you're experiencing that yourself. If you want to get into that, y'all let me know in the comments if you're interested in that type of content. If you want me to go through and help you out with setting up, because I'm gonna tell you, there's nothing that beats having a good audio interface, a good mixer, so that you can fully control. If you want to really be fully in control of your sound. So if you're like me, you're playing your guitar and you need a microphone, and maybe you got some music that you want to play along to, you want to be able to control every aspect of that. And how you can do that is with a good audio interface or a good mixer. You don't have to go and break the bank, man. I think we could probably get this done for you with maybe $70 could get you a good mixer, a good microphone, and have you set up, okay? So if y'all are interested in that, join me in the comments, meet me in the comments. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in content like this, y'all let me know. I want some feedback from the family here, okay? So thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope that this helps you. I hope that it blesses you, and hope it sets you free from being frustrated and wanting to share and your sound's not coming through, okay? Y'all be sure to go make sure you change those settings before your next meeting, okay? I'm thinking about setting up some meetings for my PJ Guitar family. If y'all are interested in maybe linking up through Zoom as a group for this channel, PJ Guitar, y'all let me know. Maybe we can get some emails set up and get everybody set up to where we can share. This will be for all levels. It might not even necessarily have to be just a lesson from me or anything like that. Maybe just a community we can get together and share with each other, okay? Thank you all for this. I hope that, like I said, it helps you. I hope that blesses you. And y'all give me some feedback in the comments. I'm gonna put my email in the comments, as well as some links to some products that might help you, such as like this mixer I'm talking about. If you want to go ahead and get ready and prepare and get the materials that you need so that you can produce that quality sound, we can go ahead and get that set up, okay? Thank you. All right, bye now.